Hi Excel geeks! Welcome back to our channel, where we make Excel easy and fun. Today I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list in Excel. This feature is super handy for data entry and ensuring consistency in your spreadsheets. So, let's dive right in. First of all, make sure you have another sheet with the list of items you want in your drop-down. In our example, we'll call this sheet Planets. Here, I have a list of items in Planets. We will use these entries for our drop-down list. Now, go to the sheet where you want to create the drop-down list. Click on the cell where you want to place the drop-down list. Next, go to the Data tab on the ribbon and click on Data Validation. In the Data Validation dialog box, under the Settings tab, choose List from the Allow drop-down menu. In the Source field, enter the range of cells from the Planets sheet that contains your list items. You can do this by typing the range manually or by clicking the button to select the range. Once you have the range selected, click OK. Now, you have a drop-down list in your selected cell. Click on the cell and you will see a small arrow appear. Click the arrow to see the drop-down list and select an item from it. Using the second question as an example, we can create a drop-down list by directly entering our list items in the Source field. Ensure that each item is separated by a comma. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to create a drop-down list in Excel. This is great for ensuring data consistency and making your spreadsheets more user-friendly. Bonus tips. If you need to add or remove items from your list, simply update the range in the source sheet. The drop-down list will automatically reflect the changes. Error alert. You can set up an error alert to notify users if they try to enter a value that isn't in the list. Go to the Error Alert tab in the Data Validation dialog box and customize your message. If anyone attempts to add an item not on the list, they will receive your custom error alert. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tutorials. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy Excelling!